because we're drawing some. Drawing some butter chocolate squishy. And she's here now. Let's get them, okay? Let's color him to brown. Then look, baby, she's like that. That's so nice. If you love squishy, you said the comment, I love squishy. Now we're going now to draw it. Okay? Because it's available, okay? I feel some paninis day. My father's tip a week. And what did you want? 10 over 10 to my butter squishy. Look, guys. So nice. And she's 10 over 10, baby. Because I'm getting some drawing. Now, let's drawing now. Because did you love drawing? I love to drawing. I have so many squish. But you need them. Did you like my drawing? Talk to Paolo, I love them. And she right here now, guys.
Kumain na si Kyle.
Kita mo na video ko eh. Nasaan ka sa TV.
Sorry po sa TV. Sorry po.